Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page scrollable screenshot on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So to do this, you'll need to open any app that allows you to scroll down. In this case, let's go for settings. Now press the combination of a power key and a volume down key at the same time. You'll make a normal screenshot. Now click on the scroll down button right here and keep pressing on it until you're satisfied with the amount of a scrollable screenshot. And now we're at the bottom of the page. We can click on the screenshot to actually see it in a gallery, let's say. And as you can see, that's a full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.